So I can't be the only one that has just a pile of pieces laying around. It's pretty common for most of us. You get done with a project, you just want to be done with it. And you throw, whether it's in a magnetic tray, you just kind of throw it on your workbench and get on to the next project or whatever you have to do, or just have a good weekend and relax.
Here's your organizing solution.
The SK 20-inch small parts organizer with a clear lid, stackable. This is 20.87 length by 14.17 width and almost 4 inches of depth right there. It's got a really nice handle. Let's go ahead and do a full unboxing. It's a 20.5 stackable small parts organizer. This comes in a nice box and it has bubble wrap to keep it nice and clean and secure and transport. Looks really nice and thick and big. So let's go ahead and see all that has to offer. So this allows it to lock onto other things and become stackable. Then your main open is here. I do like that it's nice and clear. You can see everything. The parts trays do come out and the pieces do as well, which is nice. So if you have something bigger, you need longer, you definitely have that ability. These are for different, has two little boxes on the side for small parts, has 6 of these square ones, then 2 of the big ones with 3 pieces and 2 dividers in each of them. Each of the pieces do fit in. It has a little groove in there, so they're not going to be moving around. And when it is shut, your part should not be popping out because of how this is cut into it. And so that's really nice as well. The locks on it feel pretty solid as well. Also get a nice handle. So overall, this feels nice and solid. Feels, like I said, pretty rugged. You'll be able to take this thing to the work site and be able to use it. I do have a bag as well that I got, and so the bag will actually fit on top of this. So another really cool feature about these SK bags is if you do have their 20.5-inch small parts tray, you can just go ahead and stick this on there and then take it to your work site with you. And then whenever you need it, you just pull those 2 little side tabs and it comes right off. You have all the parts you need and the bag as well. So the workday's over and you want to get a little bit of organization. You can simply take all of your parts, whatever it is, put them in these nice little bins. That way you can call it a day and then you know where everything's at the next time. I love that you can just sort things so easily. Look, one tray already done. Here's a bunch of screws and stuff. Has 2 little parts trays on the side as well, so you can put those in. Some on that side as well. And maybe you have some bigger pieces that aren't going to fit in there well. You just remove that centerpiece. You can toss it right here in the middle and just keep at it. Use all of your metal trays or whatever you have and can actually use them for what they are needed for. Because now you have everything nice and secure, locked up. Your workstation looks nice and clear. You can have this off, and then you now have your workbench again, which is really helpful for all of us who do a lot of DIY stuff to be able to have a workspace available and keep everything organized. This right here is the SK 20.5 small parts organizer. Go ahead and find the link down in the description. If you've not done so yet, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to MC Fix It so I can have more content just like this coming to you. Thank you guys so much for watching.